Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Bonsai Yama Review. Today, Bonsai Squad, we are at California Adventure at Disneyland, and we're having some fun. You can hear the roller coaster behind me, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna try and go check out the Cars ride right now, and hopefully we don't get rained on. But it's nice and sunny right now, but you never know, the rain might come and we might get rained on. So we'll see you soon.
Welcome to Race Day.
At Radiator Springs.
The champion needs speed
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
Buongiorno! For you, my friend, only the best. Big up. Oh, yeah. Look. Now you look like a real race car. Guido, to the starting line.
It takes more than new tires to win a race. I'm your new crew chief. I'll tell you these are.
Come, come! Oh, Guido, the moment she's here. Now comes the time for you to go very fast. Uno for the money, due for the show. Quattro, go!
Hey Bonsai Squad, what's going on? So we just got off of Cars, and it did actually rain in the middle of the ride, and it was fun. It was exciting, but I do want to let you know that our car, we won. We got first place. So it was pretty fun and fast with the gimbal on that ride, and pretty exciting, and once in a lifetime experience. And so I recommend, if you're here at California Adventure, you ride that ride. Here's a little tip for you guys for that though. Get here early in the morning, because that's when they have the fast passes. They stop with the fast passes about 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning, even earlier, so on certain days, but don't quote me on that. But I know that they do stop using fast passes, or giving them fast passes out as early as sometimes 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So I hope you guys stick around, because we're gonna see the Lunar New Year celebration with Mulan and Mushu. And I think Goofy's in there too, so stick around. We'll see you guys on when we have the Lunar New Year celebration here at California Adventure. See you guys soon.
Boys and girls, we are delighted to have you with us for our Lunar New Year celebration. Mulan and her special guests have joined us to celebrate this joyous occasion with beautiful music, dance, and artistry. And now, please welcome Mulan's Lunar New Year procession. Mulan and her dragon friend Mushu invite families and friends to our Lunar New Year celebration and welcome in the Year of the Pig. Dragon represents wisdom, power, and wealth, and is performed to scare away bad luck. The flowing silk bands represent beauty, grace, and delicacy, and express feelings of joy. Martial arts is an ancient Chinese art form that has been passed down through the years and captures China's rich cultural traditions. Ribbon dance creates beautiful movements like rainbows and peaceful clouds in the sky, and represents good fortune and prosperity. Thank you for joining us for Mulan's Lunar New Year procession. We wish you all good fortune and a happy new year.
chúc mừng năm mới.
新年快乐！
새해 복 많이 받으세요.
Hey everybody, well I hope you enjoyed the Lunar New Year celebration that we had here at California Adventure. You saw Mulan, you saw Mushu, and happy Lunar New Year, Year of the Pig. And remember, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that bell and subscribe and join the Bonsai Squad, man. We'll see you guys on the next episode of Bonsai Yama Review. Take care everybody.